My dear students, in today's class, we will learn the problem sums based on the multiplication. Sum number 1, 24 beds are needed in a boarding school. If each bed costs rupees 128, what is the total cost? So, how many beds are there? There are 24 beds. And what is the cost of one bed? Look at the line. If each bed costs rupees 128. Each means how many? 1. So one bed costs rupees 128. Follow the line. At first I have written cost of one bed is equal to rupees 128. We have to find out the cost of 24 beds. So the second line I have written, cost of 24 beds is equal to rupees 128 multiplied by 24. You will do the multiplication in the rough as I have done. Then you will write down the answer here as total cost. Now the answer is, what will be the answer? Follow the question, what is the total cost? So I have written the answer. The total cost is rupees 3072. Now I am going to sum number 2. The question is, an aeroplane goes 455 km in 1 hour. How far will it go in 18 hours? In 1 hour, an aeroplane goes how many kilometers? 455. So, you see, in the first line I have written, in 1 hour, an aeroplane goes is equal to 455 kilometer. And we have to find out how far will it go in 18 hours. So the second line I have written, in 18 hours an aeroplane goes is equal to 455 kilometer multiplied by 18. You will do the multiplication in the rough. Then write down the answer here. Total distance an aeroplane goes 8190 kilometer. And what will be the answer? Follow the question, how far will it go in 18 hours? So I have written the answer, it will go 8190 kilometer. Now the next sum number 3. At first I am reading the sum, that is, a book has 115 pages and on each page there are 27 lines. How many lines are there in the whole book? On each page, each means how many? 1. One page, how many lines are there? 27 lines. So I have written number of lines in one page is equal to 27. And the question is, how many lines are there in the whole book? So whole book is having how many pages? 115 pages. So you see, the second line I have written, number of lines in 115 pages is equal to 27 multiplied by 115. And you will do the multiplication in the rough as I have done. Then write the product, that is 3105. That is the total number of lines. And what you will write in the answer? Follow the question. The question is, how many lines are there in the whole book? So, I have written the answer. There are 3105 lines in the whole book. Thank you, children. Today up to this, you will practice these 3 sums at home.